Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I've been wanting to fix this screen door for a little bit. It is stuck, moves pretty slowly. Today is the day for that. Let's do some research. Okay, I really like this video by DIY Bandit that talks about making sure these wheels are working. I also like this video by Jovac Home Inspection on tightening the tensioners. Let's go clean the area, take the door off, and see what we're dealing with. Really good news, all of my wheels do look okay. They are spinning and not stuck like in DIY Bandit's video. Didn't fall out of the housing or need any glue to be put back. Hopefully adjusting the tension and getting them on track correctly will work. I also cleaned up the area a little bit. Let's put it back and see if it slides. I really like these easy videos. It was just not sitting on the track correctly. So cleaning it, making sure the wheel is on there, already a huge improvement, but it is still a little loose up here. So hopefully tightening the tensioners will make this even better. And it is raining in Southern California. Nice. Let's go grab a Phillips and mess with those. This is just great. Never thought I'd be so happy with a good smooth sliding door. I did a few clockwise turns down there, a few up here to increase tension so this part is not as floppy. Like the other videos were saying, there is weather stripping here, so you'll have to peel this back a little bit if you want to access and change those tensioners. But for now, video 295 done.